Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best worm sifter is probably one of the most underrated tools for any gardener or composting enthusiast. It streamlines the process of separating nutrient-rich worm castings from your worm bin, making it easier than ever to harvest the black gold that your plants will absolutely love. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of worm sifters, exploring their benefits and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Bellemain 3-cup flour sifter. Home baking just got easier with this sifter. It holds more flour or powdered sugar than most sifters made for home use. Measurements are stamped right into the metal, easy to read. Professionals prefer crank-style sifters. This one can stand up to repeated use without tiring out your hand. Sifting is effortless, and cleanup is super simple. Lumps of flour and sugar can get left behind with other models. This sifter cranks smoothly, capturing everything. It works great with fine and coarse flours. Squeeze handles require hand strength, which can wear you out quickly. The hand crank operates smoothly and effortlessly. Lightweight flours and sugars practically sift themselves. Stainless steel is lightweight, but stronger than aluminum or plastic. You never need to worry about cracks, chips, dents, and scratches. This is the sifter that you'll still be using in 20 years. What we like? This sifter's hand crank is a game changer, making sifting effortless. It's perfect for bakers with arthritis or anyone who wants a smooth, easy experience. If you are looking for a sifter that's gentle on your hands and built to last, you should consider this. What people say. Great sifter. Good quality. Easy to use. Also appreciate the sturdy stainless steel body, not a thin, flimsy metal like my old one, and the efficiency of the double loop agitator. This is a hand crank sifter that is very solid in the hand and looks to be in my kitchen for a long time. Number 4. SE 13.25-inch gold prospecting pan. This gold prospecting pan is easy to clean, store, and transport. It fits comfortably into a backpack or large finds bag. It's ideal for gold panning in various environments. The mesh sieve is made with rust-resistant, high-quality stainless steel. It's lightweight to reduce hand fatigue while sifting through pay dirt. This design is also compatible with other stackable classifiers. This is a must-have for serious gold seekers and treasure hunters. It saves time and improves gold recovery in sluices and pans. The space-saving design allows you to easily stack and store it. You can easily use this pan to find gold. It is a great tool for beginners and experts alike. It is a great way to enjoy the outdoors. The stackable design makes it easy to store. You can easily stack it with other classifiers. This is a great feature for those with limited space. What we like? This sifter is designed for gold prospectors, but its portability makes it useful for many tasks. The durable stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand rough conditions. If you need a sifter that's easy to transport and built to last, you should consider this. What people say. I was able to save and reuse 80% of my mulch while removing more than a 1-gallon bucket of sand, dirt, rocks, birdseed, weeds, and other trash. The sifter is very durable and the high walls allow me to sift larger batches. Heavy duty. They are stackable and come with different size screen for screening varying size pieces. The screen mesh appears to be made of hardened stainless wire and would be difficult to distort and have never seen one rust or corrode. However, the best feature for me is the bottom edge is rebated nicely to fit the rim or mouth of a standard 5-gallon bucket. Number 3. Stainless steel garden sieve and soil sifter. This soil sifter is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. It's highly durable, resistant to corrosion and oxidation, and easy to clean. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. The compact design offers multiple sifting screen options with different mesh sizes. You can easily switch between them to get the perfect soil texture for your needs. The outer frame has internal bumps to ensure a secure fit. This design prevents the screen from moving during use, providing a stable sifting experience. The outer frame is integrally shaped with no welded seams and carefully polished edges. This design prevents burrs and protects your hands, ensuring safe operation. This sifter is perfect for a variety of tasks, including sifting rocks, soil, compost, and more. It's also great for bonsai, soil mixing, and cleaning debris. It's a versatile tool for any gardener. What we like. This sifter offers multiple mesh sizes, giving you versatility for various projects. The food-grade stainless steel ensures safety and durability. If you need a sifter that can handle different materials and last for years, you should consider this. What people say. It looks sturdy, no sharp edges, and it came with a soil scooper and a small screwdriver to use to pop out the screen when you want to change sizes. Comes with 3 different sized screens, the largest being 1/4. The whole construction is solid. I use this soil sifter to refine my potting compost for seedlings, and it suits my needs very well indeed. Number 2. Soil Sieve Garden Riddle Sieve 12 with interchangeable mesh. This soil sieve is crafted with optimal galvanized iron, ensuring fine workmanship. It's light and portable, designed with a round opening for ease of use. The green coating adds a touch of aesthetic appeal to your garden. The sieve comes with 4 interchangeable filter meshes of different sizes. This allows you to easily separate rocks and debris, catering to your specific gardening needs. The mesh sizes are approximately 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeters. This soil sieve is built to last, offering reliable and durable performance. It's designed to withstand long-term use, making it a valuable tool for any gardener. Using this gardening sieve, you can effectively separate soil mixtures and select the size you need. Good soil is essential for enhancing the absorption of minerals and water by plant roots. The metal frame has a 12-inch diameter with 2.5-inch tall sides. This design allows it to hold more soil, making sifting quicker and easier. It helps to ensure optimal soil health before potting. What we like. This sifter's interchangeable mesh sizes allow you to customize your sifting experience. The durable construction ensures it will last through many gardening seasons. If you like having control over your soil preparation, you should consider this. What people say. The sifter's design allows for efficient separation of castings from larger debris. The mesh size is perfect for separating worm castings. It is easy to assemble and use. Number 1. Soil Sifter for Gardening. This soil sifter is designed for garden and yard work. Its size is 15.75 inches by 11.81 inches by 2.75 inches with 1/4-inch hardware cloth, making it a great tool for planting flowers and vegetables. It's a must-have for any home gardener. Weighing only about 540 g, this sifter is easy for anyone to use. The frame is made of super light solid wood, so even a lady or a kid can handle it without getting tired during long hours of work. This soil sieve is versatile and can be used in many ways, such as a sand sifter, soil sifter, or compost sifter. You can also use it to sift potting soil, topsoil, and other materials to remove unwanted debris. Included are a pair of gloves to protect your hands and a garden shovel to help you dig. These tools will make your work easier and more efficient. We hope this soil sifter makes your life better and your work easier. Please remember to keep it away from water, as it is made of natural wood. What we like. This sifter is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods. It's also versatile, suitable for various materials like soil and compost. If you are looking for a sifter that's easy to use and comes with helpful accessories, you should consider this. What people say. Manageable size and great mesh, works very well and so easy to use and store. It separates a lot mulch from the potting soil. Worked well to remove mulch so that the grass could grow properly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.